third semester, napansin na ata nung class advisor namin.
Nagkukulita kami madalas.
So, tinabi niya ulit kami.
So, nagkaroon ng first, second, third semester.
Kami lang yung nasa likod. So, syempre, tendency, kami lang talaga yung nagkukulitan doon.
Doon mas na-develop kami sa isa't isa. Hey guys! Welcome back to R&D TV!
So today is the day that we are going to get
married! Today is March 14, it's already 12, and our family's already inside. So we're just vlogging to document our momentous day.
I'm sure it's gonna be a memorable one. This is it!
So, hi Ate Bernice and Kuya Rat, and we're so excited for the wedding and we wish you all the best.
There's a lot of roller coaster that would be going down along the road. Pero always remember, fight for the love of your life.
Na yung pinagpipray niyong dalawa is ibigay na ni Lord.
Palagi kaming nandito for you if you need any advice.
Nasimula ngayon sa oras na to hanggang sa muli ng iyong hininga ay makasama mo si Raul paghapapoy. At hindi lang yan, ikaw ay magpapasakop sa kanyang buhay.
Yes, Riven.
We're walking the streets of Legazpi and celebrate with us. So, hope you guys enjoy our vlog. Cool mo talaga. So, good luck na lang.
For now, dahil muna tayong Lawson because it's so hot out.
So, anong kukunin natin? Meron ba? I think water lang.
Okay, water na lang.
Makaharot sa Lawson.
Oo nga eh.
All these years, I've been asking, kailan na ba? Kailan na ba? I've seen your love grow together from the very beginning. And so, I'm just so joyful that you've tied the knot and it's time to start a new life, always with my love. I'm just here.
Thank you, Ral, for loving Bernice. And please, stay in love or more in love after your marriage. Thank you, Berns, for staying the same way. Kasi yung iba takot na pag nag-asawa na yung daughter nila, nawawala na ng daughter, pero ako, I gained the son. Love you both.
Congratulations and best wishes. And finally, ito na talaga yung final. After ilang years yung magkasama, talagang you've been loyal to each other. Congratulations. Basta ang success ng marriage is communication, understanding.
Kayo ang talagang nililook up ko in terms of relationships. Kasi sa dami niyong challenges and sa daming pwedeng nakapagpahiwalay sa inyo in a span of 8 years, mas lalo kayong tumatag.
Siguro next year, maybe. Sana lahat tayo merong kids ng hawak. Para namang meron tayong sinishare every time na meron tayong reunion, meron tayong inuman.
For a long period of time, we're waiting for this to happen. So, what else can we say? But congratulations! We're very happy. We're thanking God for everything. Congratulations! And we're wishing you all the very best. Happy life together forever and ever.
I hope that in our toughest times, we will always remember this day that we made a conscious decision to go through life as one. How blessed are we to have found true love so early in our lives. We promised ourselves to each other 16 years ago, and in divine timing, our paths have led us to this moment right here. So this new chapter of ours is our living testimony. Today, I'm truly the happiest, and with you, I'm always home. It's always been us, hand in hand, for all eternity, across all universes, and in all lifetimes. I love you, Mumi.
With you, I found a love that is pure, unwavering, and eternal. As we journey together, I vow to stand by your side through all of life's moments. I promise to be your rock, cheerleader, and partner in all things. Together, we will weather any storm, celebrate every joy hand in hand, and am honored to call you my partner, my everything, forever and always, Mumi.